What's going on, guys? It's the start of a new project. In this project, we're going to be removing the concrete driveway, concrete walkway, and repouring it. So far, the concrete is being a pain in the butt to remove, but it's nothing we can't handle. Let's go. Man, we just got done breaking the concrete and I'm out of breath. It only took us about 10 minutes, but we were going at it hard. I feel like throwing up. So we just got done pouring this concrete slab. Check it out. Details, details, boys. Looks really good. Little short walkway. What a beauty. Oh yeah, looks so good.
I'm not sure if they have one in the back.
Think about Juan.
Es muy poblano.
¿Qué piensas de Juan?
No, pues es muy trabajador, pues, el hombre. ¿Qué más?
Ryan, what do you think about Juan?
He's a hard worker.
Is he a good?
He's a hard worker. He looks like he has a, what's that word I'm looking for? Like the motivation to learn something new. There you go.
Juan, ¿sí te gusta el cemento?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿O qué es lo que te gusta hacer?
Tú de aprender al cemento.
So right here, we did these little bands, make it look good. Details matter. Right here, Brian just put the cure on right now, so that's why you can see it sizzling. But what do you guys think about this small little project? It's a win in my book. So far we have poured 54 cubic yards and we got another big day tomorrow. So it's a great start to the concrete season and I can't wait to do more. So if you're in the market for some concrete, feel free to reach us at 775-247-7681. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.